If you want to unsubscribe from Adobe services, I'll show you the fastest way to cancel your plan and make sure it's actually gone. I'll also show you what to do if the cancel page won't load and how to confirm your subscription is fully cancelled. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, let's use the main method. Open your browser and go to account.adobe.com. Sign in with the Adobe account that's connected to your subscription. Once you're in, look for Plans and Payments, then click Plans. This is where Adobe shows your active subscriptions. Now find the plan you want to end. If you have more than one, make sure you pick the correct one. Click Manage Plan next to that subscription and then choose Cancel Your Plan. Adobe will likely show a few prompts trying to keep you subscribed, so read each screen carefully and continue through the cancellation steps. When you reach the final confirmation screen, confirm the cancellation. After that, Adobe should process the request and send a confirmation email to your inbox. Keep an eye out for that email because it's your proof that the cancellation went through. Now, if the cancel page is not loading or the option isn't working properly, use the backup method. Search Adobe Support on Google and open the official Contact Adobe Support page. From there, go to the Cancel Your Plan section and start a chat with support. Tell the agent clearly that you want to cancel your Adobe subscription. They can usually help complete the process on your behalf. Just make sure you confirm the cancellation before ending the chat. One important thing to remember is the refund window. If you cancel within 14 days, you may be eligible for a full refund, depending on your plan and region. So if you're still inside that period, it's worth checking before you finalize everything. After you cancel, do one final check. Go back to the Plans section in your Adobe account and confirm the status says cancelled. That way, you know the subscription is no longer active. And again, watch for the cancellation email from Adobe so you have written confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from Adobe services. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.